If you use Windows PC, whether Windows 10 or Windows 11, there are important settings you need to turn off right now, and I'm going to show you right here in this video. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do right here, whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11, and you want to stop Windows or Microsoft tracking on your PC, first thing first, go ahead and come down below right there, right click on your start, and the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to settings right here. On getting to settings, this is going to pump up just like what you see right here. And the next thing you want to do right here is to scroll down right here and make sure you navigate to privacy and security down below right here. Go ahead and click on that. And the next thing you want to do is to move to the search bar right here, scroll down and make sure you click on diagnostic and feedback. Click on that. And it's going to take you right here. Then data, then diagnostic data help to improve Windows and keep it secure, up to date, and working experience. Sending require plus optional data. These are stuff that Microsoft is getting from you. Sending optional diagnostic data. Then here, if you enable this, which simply means that everything you do on your Windows PC, whether you browse or you work on any app on your Windows PC, Microsoft is going to get some of the information you do right here and use it to track your activity on your Windows PC. If you want to disable the tracking of Microsoft from your Windows PC, whether Windows 10 or Windows 11, go ahead and make sure you turn off this particular button right here, and you are done. With that, Microsoft will stop tracking your activities and everything you do on your Windows PC without any stress. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about Windows PC and important settings about privacy on your Windows PC, whether Windows 10 or Windows 11, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.